Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news that consumers in both the US and China seem to be keeping their hands in their pockets. American resale sales did grow, but less than expected. Consumers have kept their buying in check for goods other than cars in June, exercising a measure of self-restraint that indicates that the economy ended the second quarter on a weak note. At the same time, an important New York manufacturing index expanded faster than was expected in June. China's economy slowed slightly for the second quarter to 7.5%, adding to risks that the government there will miss its expansion target as they try to rein in their credit boom. The composition of growth was a particular worry. Investment rose and consumption fell. The government is trying to rebalance the economy away from excessive investment. The latest figures suggest that these efforts are yet to bear fruit. Staying in China, Beijing raised its 2015 target for solar electricity capacity by more than two-thirds to 35 gigawatts, giving a shot in the arm to China's struggling solar companies. Hungary's central bank on Monday asked the IMF to close its office and leave the country. The IMF helped rescue the country from the brink of insolvency in 2008, but Hungary has chafed under its guidance. However, it has succeeded in reducing its deficit below the EU's 3% budget cap, and the EU no longer have it under surveillance. There are also elections due next year. And the European Banking Authority has reported that of bankers earning more than €1 million per year, the highest numbers by far were in the UK, exceeding those in other countries. The numbers are in the story below. They're an eye-opener. Today we get the New Zealand second quarter inflation data. Markets are expecting a 0.3% rise from the previous quarter, which is below the 0.4% recorded in the first quarter. That would leave annual inflation unchanged at 0.9%. In late trade, the Dow is closing near its all-time high and commodity prices are higher. US Treasury yields fell on the retail sales news. The New Zealand dollar starts today at 78.1 US cents, 85.9 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 74.3. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.